Good evening once more. So this is quite an interesting one that I just came across. Onlinebusinessacademy.com. It seems a wee bit pricey, the $99 a month. What I like, it's using colours and it's actually got a video as well. So obviously I join the button and then, well, let's listen to the video first and then we'll come back in a few minutes.
The Online Business Club is designed for those who want to make more money, grow their social media much faster, network with successful entrepreneurs from around the world, win free prizes, learn secret money making methods, learn about the new trends, and overall don't want to be left behind when new trends occur. Also get things done much faster and grow their online business much faster. As an exclusive member of the Online Business Club, you will get access to exclusive money making methods that are not available to the public and never will be. They're just available inside of the Online Business Club. You will also get access to me and a network of entrepreneurs to whom you can ask questions and get answers tailored to your own needs. You will also be able to participate in giveaways worth up to $20,000 every single month, get daily rewards, and obviously the more experienced member you are, the better rewards you will be able to get. You can also get YouTube channel reviews, so if you have a
Okay, so it's quite funny. A laptop you're using is the same one I'm using. So this isn't a business opportunity. Um, this birds in the background. This is someone who is in some sort of online business, but perhaps you haven't got the results that you wanted. So I like this because it's showing connection and community of like-minded others, so they're not just wanting your money, even though it is 99 a month, so that might be okay. Considering that they're looking at different money methods and how to grow. So if you want to join, you can. The features. Right, so just click on one of them, business and job opportunities. Um, Not sure what that's about, to be honest. Um, Maybe take a lot of getting used to. Um, or this is just the features of the course. So here is this instant access. So you need to pay that to get into that. Right, so let's come out of that. Um, so let's go into the features again. Maximum profit. There's quite a lot in this site. So you can actually join that group. So that's something that you can do if you pay the money to join. So it's a charge on it. So that's the features of it, and then we can check member results as well, and market comparison. So there's quite a lot of information in it. It's quite a lot for me, and then the membership benefits as well. So this is new private courses, learning materials, and masterclass. Grab your social media rapidly. Um, it seems quite a lot to take in, and it's kind of unclear how I can implement this into my business. So it's something that on the front end that I would consider joining, but I would need to do a bit more investigation just to see what's involved in the masterclass. I think ideally I would want a webinar to help somebody like me understand. But I've got something in description which is the best business you'll find. It's beginner friendly. I kind of find this a bit way over my head, to be honest. So I would need to have a good look at it. But in the description, we've got something that's really special, and I encourage you to take a look at it. And we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.